To create a custom background, you need to go to your slide in the task pane. This is the task pane right here, and you right click with the mouse. You see the option that says format background. You click on it. You have the options for fill. Solid fill will basically just put a solid color as a background color. That's your first option. Your second option is to select a gradient. What this does is basically allows you to put multiple colors on your slide. What you can do is for the gradient fill, you first go ahead and select a color. That will be your first basic color that you're going to be using. And you click on it. And as you can see in the background, the color changes. Then you select, move the slider for the stop position, and you can see as I'm moving it, the green color here changes. I can set the slider wherever I want the gradient to stop, and then I click on add. It automatically changes my gradient to stop too, and then I select my second color, and then I again move the stop position, and you can see how it adds the second color. I can keep on doing the same steps, add, and see now it's on stop 3, and I can add a third color and then change the stop position right like that, and then keep on adding as many colors as I want. For this gradient, it's allowing me to add 6 stops. You can also change the type of for your slide. For example, you can have it as radial, and you can see how my slide looks here. You can have it as rectangular, path, and then site from title. If I go back to radial, you can see I can change the direction. Also, this option offers the most versatility. And then your third option is either select a picture or a texture. For the picture, if you have a picture already selected from the internet or already downloaded, you can go to insert from file, and then let's say I have this picture as that I've already downloaded, and I click on it, and you can see how it changes my background. If I wanted texture, I can go here under texture and change it like that. And just make sure that you have a different background for every slide. If I click apply to all, basically the background changes for all of my slides. If I just want one slide to have a different background, once I make the modification, for example here, I don't click on apply to all, but just on close.